In the coming 2 months, we will be launching the 5th edition of our flagship science research project, Anveshana. This year, the response to the applications is overwhelming, with 755 students evincing interest from across the country. Prayoga Institute of Education Research takes you back to show how long we have come, what are the takeaways, and most importantly, how this program will change the science learning system of high schoolers.
I was part of the June Anveshana program where we looked at EMI shielding by zinc cobalt ferrites in an PVA matrix. So post Anveshana experience was one of the best things I could say for my research career and for me to get career clarity in the research field. We actually took a study to an international conference on nanotechnology and nanoparticles. We presented our work to professors, the field of nanotechnology, at only the stage of 12th grade, how we could present our work and talk about nanotechnology that Anveshana taught us.
Keeping in tune with the aim of Anveshana, nurturing the next generation researchers for the nation, the program is held under the guidance of experienced researchers, where student researchers are encouraged to conduct innovative scientific research under 5 thematic areas: green chemistry, advanced and functional materials, earth sciences, wellness, food and agriculture. The students have access to the state-of-the-art research facilities where hands-on experiments and research-based projects are conducted. Here is to another year of Anveshana. The countdown begins.